Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will show you how to continue an Ansible playbook from the task that failed, or it doesn't need necessarily to be failed a task. So if you want to skip the first, I don't know, 10, 3 or 5, it doesn't matter how many tasks you want to skip, and you want to continue from a specific task, then we should use, or you should use, start at task option when executing the playbook. So I have a playbook prepared just to show you how it's done. So it has several tasks and I want to start from here. So from check SAPI status on the pool master. As usual, I'm always working with Ansible and with Xen servers. For the moment, I believe I will switch to Azure, but for now, I'm doing this. And yeah, so we want to start the playbook, but not from the beginning. We want to start it from this point. Our pool is up, so the tasks in the playbook are just to check our pool master that the XAPI service is up, and then it will reboot both slaves in the pool at the same time. So we can do that, as I told you, with start at task, and that is accomplished with this command. So Ansible, it's the normal playbook execution. Ansible. What? I can't write. Ansible. Come on. Playbook. The playbook, it's called 1. And we just have to write start at task, and we, in quotation marks, we just type the name of the task. So you should, in case you have big playbooks, you need to be careful to not use the same name, so the task name in different locations. So if you want to use this start a task, so you should have each task have its own name, so that you do not start the task from a different location. Okay, let's take a look. Ansible playbook. Okay, start a task. Okay, let's see. So it should start with checking the XAPI service. Okay, it's asking, this is normal. It's asking for the pool master. This is the normal flow of the playbook, and it will also ask for the bundle, because this is an playbook that applies hotfixes on a Xen server 8. Okay, let's type that here, and let's come back here, and we should start from that point. Okay, so it's executed the task that we wanted to start with. So it's checked the XAPI services, and now let's continue this faster. Control C, then C. Now it's just sending the information to the slaves to reboot, and we should shortly see, yeah, so they started to reboot. So this was basically it. So the difference, I have another video, I made it also about tags. So the difference between this and the tags is that the tags, if you use tags, they will execute only one task in the playbook and they will stop there. And if you use start at task, like in this video, then it will start with the task that you mentioned and it will continue from that point on until it finishes the entire playbook. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.